Subscribe to the Helpful Techniques and press the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, my name is Piravrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So guys, I'm again back with a new job opportunity. So this one you can say the golden job opportunity in 2020. So KPSC, that means Karnataka Public Service Commission, is going to hire for total number of 1516 posts. So they are basically going to hire for three different roles. So first one is assistant engineer or the junior engineer, and total vacancies are 990 posts. So last date to apply is 16th September 2020. And second one is Ayurveda professor, and total number of vacancies are 275, and last date to apply is 14th September 2020. And last one is group A and group B, and total number of vacancies are 251, last date to apply is 10th August 2020. So today is 7th August. So only 3 days are left for this role. So I'll request you to apply for this role as soon as possible. So if you want me to make a video on the syllabus and the previous year question papers and the answers, then please let me know in the comment section so that I'll make another video on this on the syllabus and the test patterns. So let's check the criteria first. So here if you see, you must be your maximum age will be 35 and minimum age is 18. That means your age must be in here between the 18 and 35, and the relaxation is there for in case of upper age case. So for 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B category, upper limit is 38 years. That means 3 extra years are there. For scheduled caste or the scheduled tribe, the age limit is 1 to 40 years, and the age relaxation is based on the government policy. So here if you check for assistant engineer, out of 990 posts, it is only for 660 posts, and it is for only for civil background. And for junior engineer, there are totally 330 posts. So here you can check the application fees. Only for assistant engineer or the junior engineer role, the application fee in total you have to pay 635. And remember one thing, it is a online payment process. That means you have to pay through credit card, debit card, or the any internet banking. No online payment, offline payment option is there for this role. So for cat 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, totally you have to pay 335. For ex serviceman you have to pay only 85 rupees. That means 50 plus 35. And for SC/ST you have to pay nothing. So it's a great opportunity for you if you are SST. So mode of transaction or the payment is online. So here you can see the eligibility criteria. You must have completed your degree in civil engineering on the construction technology. Only if you belong to mechanical engineering or the computer science background, then you will be not able to apply for this role. If you are applying for this role, then your application will get rejected. So for junior engineer, it is same as of the assistant engineer. You must have completed a diploma in civil engineering from the recognized university or the reputed engineering university. So for assistant engineer, they are going to pay 43,100 to 83,900, and for junior engineer, they are going to pay for 33,450 to 62,600. So I'll be providing the job link in the description so that you can click on the link and redirect to this website, and you can apply for this role as soon as possible. So if you want to apply for this role, then here you can click on the apply here option below. After clicking, you will be able to apply for this role online. So link will be activated on 17th August onwards. So last date to apply is 16th September. That means totally they are going to give you 1 month fully to apply for this role. So before 17th August, you will be not able to apply for this role. So second job role is IVES post. So totally there are 275 posts are there, and first date to apply is 12th August, and last date to apply is 14th September 2020. So here you can see the application fee is same for this role. So here you can check the age limit is much as compared to the assistant or the junior engineer. So here you can check the age limit is 18 to 50 years, and here you can see the relaxation for OBC category is 3 years, and for SC/ST it is 5 years. So it's a great thing. So totally here if you see, for Ayurveda assistant professor group B, it is total number of 37 posts are there. For assistant professor or the homeopathy, total number of posts are 10, and for group C, staff nurse 23 posts, the pharmacist 76 posts. So here you can check the salary structure. Here for Ayurveda professor, total number of totally you'll be getting from 37,400 to 67,000, and for medical professor you will be getting 52,650 to 97,100, and for group B you will be getting 15,600 to 39,100. So for staff nurse you will be getting 27,650 to 62,600 according to your skills or the experience. So the link will be activated on 12th August. So after 6 days it will get activated, and here you can apply for this role by clicking on click here. So again I am repeating, it's a online application process. So you have to pay online through your credit card or the debit card or net banking. Through net banking you will not be able to pay offline. So third one is for group A and group B, and totally there are 251 posts are there, and the it's for Karnataka location, and first due to apply is 10th July. That means already the link is activated, and last date to apply is 10th August. So here you can check for 2A, 2B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, total number of 38 years. That means you this is the age limit. Sorry, for scheduled caste, the age limit is 1 to 40, and here you can see for group A, total number of 4 posts are there, and for group B, district manager grade for 4 posts, and the Takul development officer 33, assistant director 17, and you can check all the details here. I'll be providing the job link in the description of the video, and here you can check the application fee structure, and all are same except the SC/ST category. If you belong to any SC/ST category, then you have to pay only 35 rupees for this role. So again I am repeating, this is the online payment process. You have to pay online. So here you can check all the details for the eligibility criteria. You must have completed your BEB. Here you can check BEB. So if must have completed your BE Tech in any other background, that means any relevant background. So here you can check the details. So I'll be providing the job link. Here you can say the link will be activated on 10th July. That means already the link is activated. So I'll be requesting you to apply for this role as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel for latest updates on off-campus details. So thank you for watching. Have a great future.